Hi guys, I'm Deb. Today I am going to show you the greatest invention for cookies, well, since cookies were invented. My mother-in-law bought me this gadget for the holidays last year, and I must admit, when I first opened it, I was like, huh? I mean, just look at it. It's called the Meatball Master. Wait, I thought the Meatball Master was Adam Ragusia. Let me first say, this is not a paid endorsement. Although Meatball Master, I am available. Back to me unwrapping this gift and the clear confusion I must have had on my face because my mother-in-law yelled out, "It's for cookies!"
Snack time!
And my life has never been the same.
What this amazing device does for you is that you will never have to scoop cookies again. You will never have to portion them out. Once you put the top on, the magic is happening. The cookies are forming. They will all come out the same size. They will cook at the same rate. And therefore, no more fighting over which cookie I get.
Last year, I made a video of me making Claire Saffitz's chocolate chip cookies from her new book, Dessert Person. And let me tell you, I have made these so many times, I know the recipe by heart. I swear. If you should ever run into me on the street, you can ask me this recipe and I will just rattle it off to you in grams. Before we get to the Meatball Master, let's do today's Lost at Sea. The stain on my kitchen counter, and Olympic gymnast Michaela Maroney. Like I was saying, if you haven't seen my cookie video, please go watch it now and subscribe to my channel. Then go buy Claire's book. These cookies will change your life. Claire's recipe fits perfectly in the silicone mold. Try to spread it evenly and don't forget the corners. I leave this in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours to let those cookie flavors meld together. But don't worry about me, guys. I have some stored in the fridge from the previous batch. As Mike as my witness, I will never go hungry.
And God is my witness, I'll never be hungry again.
When you take the top off, you will have 32 of the most perfectly sized hexagon-shaped balls of deliciousness that you will ever see. The most perfect sized cookies when you bake them that you're like, that wasn't too big. I guess I can have another.
Thank you, sir. May I have another?
I put them right into a Ziploc from here and into the freezer they go. They are the slightest bit crispy, chewy, salty, sweet, perfectly sized balls of deliciousness. Did I say that again? Balls of deliciousness. Now I've said it 3 times. They are wrinkled and caramelly. And the best part is I did not have to scoop them into individual portions. The Meatball Master makes 32 cookies and there's usually enough dough on the sides to make an additional 2 cookies. So I've been told. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay home and make cookies. Why go out? Out is overrated. And Olympic gymnast Alyssa Maroney. What is her name? And Olympic gymnast Michaela Maroney. What is her name? And Olympic